In this video, I'll detail how to disable auto join Wi-Fi hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you've connected to a particular Wi-Fi before, and each time this Wi-Fi is available, your iPhone 12 will automatically connect to it. This video is going to walk you through on how you can disable this. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do, when you want to turn off or disable auto join Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi hotspot on iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on Wi-Fi. Now once you've selected Wi-Fi, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi like this, so that you'll be able to access the Wi-Fi page you want to adjust auto connect to. Then click on that. Then locate auto join and then toggle this off. Then once you disable this, you are still going to be able to connect to this particular Wi-Fi, but you no longer be able to connect to this Wi-Fi automatically. Now if I go ahead and turn off my Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, then my iPhone will discover this particular network. You can see the network is available. Then I'll need to click on the network before it can join. Otherwise, if I turn on auto join here and I disable Wi-Fi and I turn on the Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi will automatically identify and join this network directly. So you can see that. So this is how you can easily disable or turn on auto join Wi-Fi on iPhone, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.